Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Okay, what I'm getting ready to tell you about is something I wanted to talk first to you ladies. I think that a lot of times when we get married or before we get married, when we meet that special someone, we keep thinking about the special times and everything and it's the newness of everything and how we feel about everything and how we love the way they look at us and when they talk and they look at us and we are interested in what they say. As you get married longer, you may have a tendency to not listen as well. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sometimes you're not looking at them when they speak. The same with you gentlemen. When you get to dating someone and then you get to know them, then y'all get married. You may not be looking at them eye to eye when they're saying something. I was thinking about it this morning. My husband and I went to an appointment and he was speaking and I looked at him and I thought, I don't want to miss every time he speaks what he's saying. A lot of times we get into a rut of things. We're working on our computer, or we're working on with our phones, or working with our iPads, or doing something in the home. But if you'll take special time, very special time, a time to look at them and listen to them. And remember the times that you listened to every word they said. If it's your husband, your wife, your partner, your acquaintance, a coworker, this works in all situations. So think about listening to them, watching them, and taking time. Now, it's a whole different story when you're with your kids. Kids need the same thing, but I'm talking about relationships between a couple. Just something I was thinking about. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so.